So the MetaMask token has arrived and we're going to be looking at it in this video. So with that said, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and we jump straight into the laptop. First thing first, I want to show you my trade over on Wix, which is a non-KYC exchange. I have opened a hype long now with the FOMC meeting as well, with the rate cuts that today potentially could have a rate cuts. I do expect everything to go ballistically up. And so I have opened a long as well, and I do have it over here on hype. Now, if you join Wix with me, you have a 100 position airdrop boost, which means if you deposit $100, you get $100 in trading bonus for free. You deposit $200, you get $200, and so on. So it goes and match what you deposit. So a link will be down below. No KYC exchange. You can do one account, you can do two accounts, you can do three accounts, you can go on and on and on, and do accounts and get trading bonuses. So leave you the link down below. Come and trade with me. As we see here, hype is here. And tomorrow, I do think that I will sell it. My take profit is at $60 because I do think hype is going to reach $60 very, very soon. So yeah, I wish you there. Come and trade with me. Super, super simple. No KYC, meaning anybody can join. Next up, I want to go and see the first airdrop that we can claim. And this is the Lombard airdrop right here. Simply click on get started, agree to the terms, connect your wallet. And as you see here, there's 81,000 eligible wallets. I am not eligible for it. So let me know your allocation down below. If you're eligible, let me know how many tokens you received, what do you have, and all the nice infos down below in the comments so we can compare. But as you see here, I have no eligibility for this airdrop. Next up, I will leave the other link down below as well. This is the Anoma airdrop. Come over here, check eligibility. Click on paste, copy and paste your wallet address, whichever testnet participant, Anoma or the Kaito one. Click over to check, and you will be scanning the testnet activity and see if you are eligible for it. If you're not, once again, this one I did not participate. You can also check with your Twitter. If you simply connected just like this, it's going to open the app, authorize the app, connected, check if you did post anything, if you are a yapper or not, and then you will see your allocation right here, which, as you see from this one, I am not eligible for it, because it is what it is. Next up, we also have the third one, which is the register for the free OG airdrop. Right here, you can get exclusive rewards. Now simply click over to enter, connect the wallet, EVM wallet, as we see right here. Connect the wallet, the MetaMask wallet, or whichever one you want. Phantom, Kepler, Pontem, Backpack, MetaMask, whichever one. I go and connect the MetaMask because it is the one that I have open right here. And as you see, by simply doing this, you can also connect, for example, Twitter right here, just as we did with the other one. You simply connect it, authorize the app, and connect it to your official account, and then it will be automatic successfully. Proceed to the authorization process. Please wait, and then it will just wait. As you see here, there is this countdown, so just wait for that. Then go over to next, follow them, close the tab, join them, close the tab, and then click on next. And if you are eligible, you will see it right here. As it says, I am not eligible for this airdrop, and it is what it is. But let me know if you are eligible down below. One important information also, it seems like it is coming the Wormhole Season 2 airdrop, as we see right here. And yeah, it's looking really, really good. So let's go and see what Wormhole has in store for the Season 2 airdrop, 17th of September. So just a few hours after releasing this video or recording this video. I am recording this on September 17th. So let's see what they have in store. Let's see what it brings. And it's not going to be for the Wormhole stakers, this airdrop. And before talking about the MetaMask token, I want to point out here that with yesterday's video, if you did follow me on my trades, we did open a long trade on Hype as well on Breakout. Breakout is a prop firm, and I'm on profit and loss of $1,800 in profit. So right now, we're going to go and close it, take the profit, and there we go. We made about $2,000, and Breakout is a prop firm compared to what the non-KYC exchange, for example, Wix. This one allows you to go and buy, for example, the one I have, a $50,000 account. I only bought it for $500, but it allows me to trade with $50,000, and that's why I was able to make $2,000 in profit, because I was trading with about $30,000 position, and I only paid $500 for it. As you see, with a $2,000 profit, I made my money back plus profit. So make sure to come and join. The link will be down below. Utilize my code for a discount, and you will get a discount on any of these packages right here. You can get a $100,000 account, which means that in your account you will have $100,000 for only $725. So you're able to trade, and 10% of 100,000 is 10,000. 10% of 725 is $72.50. So you see where you're able to make the money with a proffer, and simply come and trade. As we see here, I still have a long over here, and I will now open an Ethereum long for a, let's say, 40. Let's go and put a $40,000 position long on Ethereum, and we are good to open. So I have a link long and I have an Ethereum long, and as we see here, it's already in profit. So absolutely lovely. I can already close it right now and make 20 bucks. So come and join me as well on a breakout. But when it comes to the token of the MetaMask, so as we see here, the MetaMask token, the MetaMask USD, is now live on Jumper Exchange. And yes, go and do it. Go and utilize it. Go and do swaps. Go and do anything. If you have any stable coins, I would recommend you to go and hold it on the MetaMask USD token. And as we see here, I do have some funds over on Base Ethereum, and I will send it to the MUSD. So the $1 to $1 pegged over on Linea. The MetaMask token is on Linea, and I will initialize the bridge. Now, I do recommend you to go and do transaction, do swaps, do bridges, do everything, and interact with the MetaMask token. First of all, have your funds on Base and swap them from Base to Linea so that you have, bridging and volume and everything from Base to Linea as well. Linea, yes, they did the airdrop, but MetaMask with this token, I do believe that people that hold it, people that do create volume, people that buy it, people that sell it, people that interact with the MetaMask USD token will be rewarded the MetaMask airdrop token in the future. And as we see here, it is simple as this. It's another stable coin, and then you can send it back, as we see, from Linea. You send it back to any network that you want. In this case, we were going to send it back to Base. Make sure to have Ethereum though on Linea. This will allow you to go and do the transactions. And as you see here, in and out, very, very simple. Allows you to go and do transaction, allows you to go and farm the MetaMask airdrop, allows you to go and make transaction. I would recommend Base to Linea so that you interact with Base, you interact with Linea, you interact with MetaMask, and you are good to go. And also let me know your level over on Jumper. As we see here, I am level 1452. I am utilizing Jumper on a daily basis. I do also believe that Jumper is due to an airdrop very, very soon. But if not that, also, it's very nice to go and interact with the MetaMask airdrop. So simply go and over here on the exchange, put everything that you need, do the transaction, do the swapping the same way that I did. Base in and out, create transaction, create volume, and you are good to go. I think this is the best option for the MetaMask token, for the MetaMask airdrop going forward, for the actual token of MetaMask. And when it comes to trading, come and join me over on Wix, non-KYC exchange, or over on a breakout, which it is a prop firm. Two different things, or join both. Come over to Wix is the best option. Come over to Wix, get a trading fund, trade with the free money that you receive, make money, take out the money, go and buy yourself a breakout account. This way you have the best of both and you make money with free money. And then you go and buy yourself a $50,000 account for only $500. First thing is Owelto. Owelto allows you to deploy smart contract basically for free on a go. So you come over here to the page, to the link down below, click on to the deploy over here if you don't arrive it. Click over to Base, basic mode, deploy contract. And as you see here, you're basically deploying a contract. It costs you 90 cents, as we're able to go and see. Click on confirm. But by doing this, you have one more interaction with the protocol. You have a deployed contract over on Base, as you see here, and that is it. This is the contract deployed, as you see here, and you can keep on going and going and going. One other thing that you can do over on Owelto is bridging. This, as we see here, we do have some new missions of bridge to Base and bridge from Base. So basically, you are farming the Owelto airdrop, which they still have a point running mechanism right here, and also from Base to Sonium, from Sonium, etc. So you're basically going to farm Owelto and Base at the same time. So simply send from Base to, for example, here, Sonium, you're able to do 2 in 1. You can simply send 0.001, whatever one you want. As we see here, the fees are destination transaction cost 0.0005 ETH and free bridge fee as well. So very cheap, in my opinion, to go and send it. We can go and send a $5 bucks, as we see here, $6.77 for the fees that you do see right here. You click on confirm and you're good to go, and you do the transaction, which, as you see here, it is very, very basic. So this is the first method to go and bridge and to go and send contract, extension, etc. So with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.